Midwestern University is this wonderful combination of top-tier research university with Midwestern relatability and care. Plus, we are adjacent to a world-class city that's home to multinational corporations and life-changing nonprofit organizations. For years now, talent retention has been named as one of the top concerns of executives worldwide, and coaching presents one very powerful strategy for that retention. Research also shows that quality coaching is related to key outcomes like performance improvement, engagement, and employee satisfaction. We have this remarkable blend of faculty who are expert practitioners, thought leaders in their fields, with PhD faculty who bring in their expertise in the research and theory. So I love to say in ELOC that you learn it today and you use it tomorrow. That's the thing that makes me happiest, is how applied and immediately usable the content is that we're working with. So you have an insight, and then you have a moment where you can practice it in a real life situation, get immediate feedback, and then turn it into your next learning. First of all, we're going to help you identify when it's even useful or appropriate to move from the typical sort of conversations you have in the workplace to a coaching conversation. And even what is a coaching conversation? What makes it different from these other conversations you might be having? In the class, you will learn a simple, memorable, flexible model to structure your conversations. After you learn the model, of course, you're going to have an opportunity to practice it. You'll practice each element of this model, you'll get feedback, and before you know it, this is not a formula. You are going to be emerging with your own particular style and what it means for you to have these coaching conversations and be effective. We've had so many consultants come through the program because they want to offer coaching as part of their repertoire of services, and they want to make sure that they're doing it with quality. They want to make sure that what they're doing is actually coaching. I'm really hoping that HR professionals are going to come and learn a little bit more of what it means to move from catch-up conversation to coaching conversation and to make those most useful with the leaders that they're supporting. I'm hoping that leaders at all levels of organizations come so they can really learn how to be in that coaching space with their direct reports, so that they're not kind of fumbling around wondering what does it really mean to coach them, but they have a model that helps them be most effective in it. And I'm hoping that people who are just dabbling with the idea of, do I want to be a coach, might come and just get your feet wet. Feel what it feels like to coach and to receive that permission. You know, I love to say that the best way to learn to coach is just start coaching.